Did you know it actually matters which brand of ice pop molds that you buy? I have two brands here. One is Lebice, okay, and the other is the Chuzy Chef ice pop molds. Let's take them out of the box. Now, presentation even means something. Here's the Lebice on the left, and the other one on the right. I'm going to keep them in this order. You can see the Lebice is all packed up nicely. This one was just thrown in the box. Let me get them set up. Okay, here are the two sets. Here's the Chuzy Chef one over here. Comes with a little base like that and plastic molds with the sticks in them. And the Lebice is very similar. They give you a stand. Everything just fits in nicely. These I had to kind of force in to get them to fit, where these went in very nicely. They give you different colors for what that's worth. And they also give you some extras. First of all, an extra mold. That's number one. Number two, they give you a nice cleaning brush so you can get everything nice and clean. As you can see, it's just the right size. And they also give you a collapsible silicone funnel like that, which makes it a lot easier to fill these. But that's just on the surface. The Lebice one gives you recipes included as well. So that's nice to have, so you can test those out and then make your own. This one doesn't. What's more, the Chuzy Chef just says how to use it briefly, which were in the pamphlet on the other one, on the Lebice. Doesn't tell you anything, doesn't say what kind of plastic it's made out of, so you don't know if that plastic is actually safe. The Lebice says right on it, it's BPA free. They also give you a free ebook just by scanning that. And they also give you a lifetime warranty. There's absolutely no mention on there. So yes, it does make a big difference in the ice pop molds that you buy. These are nice and BPA free and safe. They give you a lot of little extras and stuff like that. The Chuzy Chef might do the same job, but at what cost to your health?